So one of the things I want to test on our camping weekend, and long term really, are these car shades. Now you'll notice, unlike a lot of Disco 3s out there, I don't have tinted rear windows, and they do make a lot of sense. Obviously if you've got pets and things in the vehicle, it keeps things a bit cooler. Also it sort of hides anything you might have in the load space. These are quite a nice alternative. So if you're not into tinted glass, these should give the same effect from the outside, but just look a little bit different, a bit softer on the inside. My only concern, I guess, is the fact that they go over the second row doors where my kids sit, and obviously if they undo the windows, which I don't let them do anyway to be fair, but if they did, there's a chance they could push them through and they'd just disappear. Now they do these for pretty much every Land Rover on the market, and Range Rover. So if you like the look of these, and I'll tell you how easy they are to fit and what they perform like, but if you like the look of these, there's a good chance they'll make them for your vehicle too. So let's get cracking and get the ones in the back first. Now I'm sure your doors aren't as shabby as mine, and I do have this trim missing, so I'm wondering if that's going to be a problem. Let's just offer it up first and see how it looks. The wrong way around. Oh wow, that's a good fit there. Wow, how good is that? I'm going to have the label on the inside, I think, so let's just swap that one around. So really all I'm doing is I'm popping it down in there first, and it's going to clip in the top, and that's it. That is a really nice fit. Let's give this a little clean like that. So I'm going to pop it in the clip and then in the door. That's really nice. Really impressed with that. Let's hope that's what happens if you shut the door. Wow, they look good from the outside as well. For the rears, they literally just pop in without any clips. So you've got this recess here for the antenna connection. So you should just be able to slide them in. I'm hoping it's going to be a nice snug fit. Let's get them in that end first. Yeah. And they're in. That's so easy, and it looks nice. Now the rear is a bit trickier, so you've got these little metal clips that actually clip into different areas on here. Now ours hopefully is going to work, because it's all going to be, yeah, so I reckon we're going to lose a few of these if we're not careful. I think I'm going to use a little bit of glue. So they tuck inside your plastic piece, which is fine. It's just a little bit loose, so I'd rather just put a little bit of glue on the top there where it touches the plastic. So there's one. There's another. There we go. There we are. That's got that in place. So we've got one in place, that's fine, and then the other one is on the radius. So one on the edge and one on the flat. So what I've done is I've actually got everything in place. I've clipped, all the clips have actually gone onto the frame itself and then popped in. It might be easier to actually fit the clips onto this frame, because you can squish the frame to put it into place. And so if you get the clips nicely on and in place and then expand it into position, I think you'll find it a lot easier. And what I've done is I've just put a little bit of contact glue on those clips, so that if it does drop out, or hopefully that'll stop it dropping out, I'm not going to lose those clips, because they're a pretty integral part of the design. And I've got this piece here in the middle is a crossover piece, so I have got a line in the middle, but I don't mind that. So I think to give you the full effect, I'm going to have to clean the windows, but it definitely hides what's in the back of the vehicle. I do like that. It's darkened things off nicely, but there's still plenty of visibility. And there's a difference between the front and the rear door. So again, nice shaded area in there. Really like that. They are very well made. They are definitely made to fit. There's no messing about. They just go in, an absolute treat. So yeah, far better than those things you see on the outside of your vehicle. If you've got young kids and you're draping things over there, those just pop in and pop out, no bother.